Hello, welcome back. We are going to just sneak into the end of this Chinese year. Before the new Chinese New Year for 2022. This one's 2021 set. So this is the Spring Lantern Festival. We're going to just sneak in before we do the new ones for the new Chinese New Year. So this set has 1,793 pieces. It is now retired, so I left it that long. I think it was $160 here in Australia. So yeah, but it is such a beautiful set. So let's have a look. There are 8 minifigures, and they're spread out amongst the bags. We're gonna meet them as we open up the bags. So this fellow's got the mouth full face as well as a normal face on the back. He's got a fanny pack on his back and he's carrying a bowl of sticky, like glutinous rice balls in sweet soup called Tang Yuan. I'm pretty sure, I looked up the pronunciation, hopefully I get it right. And this is a dish that's traditionally eaten on the last day of the Chinese New Year. I love these Chinese New Year sets for just the diversity of the culture that it just introduces to everybody, plus the fantastic builds, and they are always just so, yeah, they are gorgeous builds. This one, I actually hope that this will go well with the Ninjago gardens as an extension of their Zen gardens. Anyway, hopefully. All right, we're up to bag number 2 while I was busy rambling. This one's got the next minifigure in it. I love her yellow shirt tucked in the front. Very fashionable at the moment. Well, the jacket's yellow, shirt's white. And this is actually the mum from the Chinese New Year dinner set. Orange phone. That's new. Actually, I think this is in another set in the new Chinese New Year sets. Oh, that's exciting. And I just love the fact that this family is recurring throughout the Chinese New Year sets. I just like that. That's really cute. Okay, let's get all of this down. Like I said, isn't this so much like the Ninjago city gardens, or the Zen gardens, the watery part? So I'm just so keen to join them. I'm gonna have to see whether they fit together. Okay, this is all the the pond work, all of the underneath work. So all this green bit is going to be adding depth to the water, and these colourful bits over here are going to be underneath everything else. Bag number 3 is full of watery bits, so let's start putting those in. And this bit, which we've done in the Ninjago gardens and in the docks and in the city, is something that I don't find very soothing at all, putting all these blue bits on, because you have to put some in certain directions and some go in other directions, and you've got little dots in between, and I muck this up so much. But look at these new koi printed tile pieces. So there are 2 different types of kois. Kois? Is that koi plural? No, I think it's just koi for plural. So we've got these little orange ones, and we've got the little yellow orange ones as well. They're just divine. I don't know whether I'm focusing in. I think I've focused in well enough on them for you to see. They're so pretty. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, I want to see these in more sets, but so far they haven't turned up anywhere else. This is the only set you can currently get the printed koi pieces, which just go so beautifully in these, Zen garden style. I want them for all things. Right, next bag, we've got another minifigure, and this one has got an exclusive printed hoodie with 2021 on it, and it's Year of the Ox, and this dude's carrying a bubble tea, which I just love. Bring me some bubble tea. Now I want some bubble tea. It's too late in the day for me to have bubble tea. And he's not alone. He's got, oh my gosh, look at the hoodies with the little horns on them, the little oxy horns. Hold on, oxy horns are, no. Okay, so oxen, no, just ox horn. Let's go with that. I don't know what I'm saying. This chick has got a selfie. This is so she can take a picture of herself with all the cool things that are going to be going into this Spring Lantern Festival garden. Okay, this is adding contour around the pond. I just love this. Look at that. So the pond shape is done so nice and quickly. Got the pond on with all of the blue bits, and now just adding green to it. It is so beautiful to look at. Gosh. Okay, lots of green, lots of watery goodness. This just makes me really happy. So nice. And the rock work, we've just got random little rocks going on. Something substantial is going to need to go over there on that right hand corner. That's why we got big clips. And this is a pedestal for something. But all of those colours now covered over with grey and white. Speaking of that something, this is that something. As I mentioned, it's Year of the Ox, and we have got a light up ox statue with all these translucent pieces, and take note as to where the actual push button is to light up the ox as we go along. It's pretty funny. it makes me laugh a lot. I love these printed pieces with the little red swirly, no, like gold swirly bits on the side. Oh, this is going well. So these are the feet. The feet? Yeah. The legs. Look at the shape. Oh, little tassel for the tail. And look at that light shining through the front with a lovely red glow. And this is the ox head. At the moment it looks kind of like an eagle, but we'll get there. More printed pieces. Got a nice big nose ring. These are for the horns. And there we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh. We'll put it on the little pedestal. And look, you push its butt to light it up. I'm such a child. I could laugh at that for a very long time, but I won't. I will be very good. We're on bag number 5. That's just such a... that's obviously deliberate placement for the actual switch for the ox. Okay, moving on. I said I was going to move on. Yes, I will. All right, so a really nice cobble path going up here towards the lake. Some white fencing, very ornate out the side or the front. I don't actually know. I don't know whether it has a proper front or a side. I suppose we'll have to see. It looks good from quite a few angles. It's designed to be looked at from many street angles, I think. So this is a bridge for the inside to go over the pond or over the lake. Oh, this is designed to go like on an angle on those 2 circular pieces in there over the pond. That's so cool. This is such a beautiful design. It's so, yeah, look at that. Just look at it. Okay, in fact, we're going to take a selfie with the ox and we're up to the next bag, which means another character. This dude's got a Monkey Kid shirt. There's some nice advertising from Lego. Have you noticed that Lego actually has, there's an ox on this, on the lantern. Oh, I was about to say, have you noticed that Lego has actually got 3 Asian themes, like with Ninjago and Monkey Kid, and these with the Chinese New Year sets? I would love them to expand into different traditions and cultures too. Anyway, on the pond, on the beautiful pond around all the koi, there are some really gorgeous lily pads. Some more green over on this side. I didn't even notice putting the yellow frog in underneath the bridge. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, all right. And bamboo. So bamboo is a whole heap of green candle pieces on a ball joint. How are these going to go? Oh, this is those little joints that we put in right back near the beginning. Wow, look at that. This is a substantial bamboo build, and these ones go bamboo build. I have so much fun with alliteration. I need to stop that. Okay, so they go on the ball joints here, and all of these little pokey hole bits. Oh gosh, said that a bit aggressively. So the round tiles with the holes in the middle, we're poking some more bamboo into them. So there's a little bamboo forest off to the side. Oh, a little bamboo garden. This is fantastic. This really is like a much more fleshed out Zen garden than the Ninjago one, which is why I'm desperate to modify it to put it into the Ninjago gardens. I hope it's possible. I'm sure it is. I just need to get there. Let's finish building it first, shall we? And then I can fiddle with it another time. So a hangy pendenty thing. What do you call these things? You know, hanging lanterns. They're just gorgeous. So alternating. And there are even some Year of the Ox printed ones on there. I don't know I'm not even going to pretend to know what the actual little signage says on any of this stuff, because last time I tried to do a Google Translate on this, I had no idea. So, yeah. But so there are little hangy flaggy bits hanging out the front, or on the side, or, you know, street view. There are numerous street views for this. It's a park designed to be walked around. Yeah, cool. All right, we're up to bag number 7. Got quite distracted. So we've got the white fencing on the other side. This kind of looks like it's going to be the main entrance. It's starting to be fancified up really nicely. My gosh, look at all those. Oh, I just keep saying, look at this, look at this. I'm like a tourist, except not about like places, about Lego techniques. I'm a Lego technique tourist. I don't think that means anything. So, all right, this is going to be the roofing over the circular entrance, which is a beautiful, beautifully traditional entrance to the park. I'm enjoying this so much. I love building these sets so much. And a small gnarled blossom tree in the corner, and we're up to bag number 8. How amazing is this looking? So this part is actually done. We're now about to create a whole next bit to plug into the side. So what do we put on this? I don't know, but let's put this dude together first. So he's got, oh, it's the dad! It's the dad from the Chinese New Year dinner set. He's got his camera. He's ready to take pictures if I can put it in his hand correctly. Very nice. Okay, right. So we've got the pond section with the garden and the ox display. I don't know what is going on this, but we've obviously got to build up the foundation first, so there are places to put the Technique pins in, and so it's not too two-dimensional. I have to make sure that all of these little pillow pieces go in the right place, which is, it's nice that they've fleshed out with all these colours underneath the, yeah, where we're going to be building up, because that means that you get everything right. Because you can use those colours to estimate, and by getting everything right means I go back and I fix stuff, but it's fixed. Okay, all right, we've got grey, we're getting green on the top of the grey. There's a nice little cobbled pathway up to that, and oh, okay, so there's a cobbled entrance from the side and from the side coming from the garden, and a front entryway from the street level too. Oh my gosh, look at the torso on this little girl. She got two face options. So this is the same little girl from the Chinese New Year dinner set. She has got a pull-along rabbit with red printing. I know that that is going to be culturally significant, but I don't know what the cultural significance is of that toy, and I'm not going to pretend that I do. So if you know, please let me know in the comments. I love to learn these sort of things, and I hope to learn them and remember them properly rather than just piecemeal and, yeah, making stuff up as I go along, because that doesn't help anybody. Okay, this is all grey and octagonal, I think. Is that the right number of sides? So it's going to be like a temple or a gazebo? No, we don't call them gazebos, do we? Maybe? No, maybe a pavilion. So definitely, yeah, a little place of rest inside that you head up to. This is looking so nice. Okay, this is going to give it more structure. Ooh, okay, we're going to be building on top of that and up. These are the uppy bits. There's our, oh, there's a white stone table in the middle. And the rocks along the side, oh, they give it really nice structure. Okay, that looks so good. Okay, these sit on top of all the little pillars that we've just created. They're going to make the roof, and there's a lot of replication here. So let's go super fast through this, though it is reasonably complex. And I want to make sure that I get it all right. My goodness. Oh my goodness me. Okay, need a whole heap of these to go all the way around the sides. And then we need a whole heap of these to make the decoration. I love the use of all these teal pieces. They were in the in one of the other Chinese New Year sets too. The ones with the tiled prints on them. Wish I could remember which one it was. The market kind of one. Oh, roofing. Oh my gosh. And the little, yep. Okay, I love this. I love the fact it's in dark blue too, and with the turquoise accents. Is that an unusual thing? And these long skinny things that are hiding the seams in the roof are actually blue candles and blue bananas. Love that so much. Okay, all right. The pavilion / temple is done. Now we get another little bit of bambooing happening on the side, because you need foliage. It's really important. And in the walkway up to the pavilion, got a whole heap of lanterns, and they're alternating. No, they're not alternating, but we've got the ox, the printed ox on them as well. That is so beautiful. Oh, I love this. I love building these Chinese New Year sets. They're not my cultural heritage, so I don't understand. There is so much significance in so much of this that completely goes over my head, but just the visual of the finished product is so gorgeous. And the actual building techniques as well are, you know, they're next level. I really enjoy doing it. It's really a fun challenge, and it gives you a most beautiful display product at the end. Okay, some more signage on either side of the circular doorway. These beautiful lamps with the hanging lanterns, the red hanging lanterns from them. On this side, there is a minifigure that's with a printed torso. I don't know what it means, but it looks fantastic. And we plug these in together. Look at this. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I hope you didn't look too hard, because it took me a while. Right, so we have got the two parts put in together. This is it. It looks good. Look at that. I mean, this is obviously the back, but every other direction you can display this on. It's got two street levels, two street angles. That's better. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, let's turn this over again, because the printing is too cool to hide. Now my next job with this, now that it's finished, is to fill it out with mini dolls, because that's how I like to roll, and then figure out how I can add this to the Ninjago gardens. I mean, it doesn't even need to be, I mean, it's seasonal, but you can change out the seasonal stuff for other things. I think that would be so fun. Okay, that's my next plan. How good does it look? It's just a wonderful Zen garden that you can put in the middle of your Lego city. All right, okay, I have plans, so I just got to get around to doing them. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy looking at this because it's just a really beautiful, beautiful build. Okay, let me know in the comments what you think. I will be back with another video really soon, so check back in. And yeah, we've got an actual this year Chinese New Year to build too. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.